Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sayyidi.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Can you please explain the wisdom when there is a loss of a baby or at birth? Or loss at birth.
Loss at birth. Here that the people whom suffer loss and Allah make it to be easy for them and the sadness of that loss, but everything has a hikmah and a wisdom that these realities of souls that come into this world but for a short time, that they have a reality of churubin. Allah did not destine for that soul to live too long and become contaminated upon this earth. And certain families are destined for that reality, that they're granted from these churubin, that they came briefly and they left this earth, or they came within the womb briefly and they left this earth. These are from the haqqaiqs and the reality of the churubin. That Sayyidina Ibrahim one of his responsibilities is the safeguard and companionship of churubin, and that's why Prophet wanted for us to make Salawatul Ibrahimiyyah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Ibrahim wa ala ali Sayyidina Ibrahim. Why? So that we can be granted from this reality of churubins. He watches over them, and the station of churubin, that they're so highly purified that when Allah grants them to families, they intercede for every action of the family while they're on earth. Means that churubin is continuously praying for my mother and my father, my mother and my father, that through all the difficulties they're facing in life, that churubin from that reality and that station is praying for the parents. Means more than a child, Allah wanted for them to have a means of intercession for their physical life and for their spiritual life. Because Allah has the greatest of hikmah. Allah doesn't want harm for people, but He wants to give them the best of what He has for them, and in certain cases this is best for them. If they have patience to wait and understand, there's an immense hikmah in it. And awliyaullah come and begin to describe that hikmah, that you are in need of means of intercession, and Allah opened it by that means and destined that soul to be given to you for that short period of time. But as a result, now that soul is continuously interceding for you and praying for the parents who are on earth and the difficulties and sadness that they face. So alhamdulillah, Allah is great and always wants the best for His creation, inshaAllah.